Welcome back to the MATLAB for Students series. In this episode, we're exploring Monte Carlo simulations, a technique that uses randomness and probability to make decisions or estimate results when exact answers are difficult. Let's look at a classic example, estimating the value of pi. We'll randomly generate points in a square and see how many land inside a quarter circle. The ratio helps estimate pi. You can increase n to improve accuracy. Each time you run the code, the result varies slightly. This is the nature of probabilistic methods. Monte Carlo simulations are useful in finance, engineering, physics, and AI. For example, simulating stock prices, modeling uncertainty in risk analysis, running thousands of trials in system design. Here's another quick example. Decision-making under uncertainty. Let's say a company can invest in project A or B. We simulate 10,000 scenarios of return using random distributions. This lets us compare risk versus reward based on probability, not just averages. To summarize, Monte Carlo uses randomness to explore possibilities, great for estimates, simulations, and risk-based decisions. Results improve with more trials. In our next episode, we'll bring in real-world IoT data using ThingSpeak. See you there.